welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing week. Okay, thank you so much for your support, guys. I really appreciate it. God richly bless you all. Mwah, shop kiss. Yeah, guys, today we have another amazing shopping haul for you guys. Today is 16th of June 2022. Let's dive right into this haul and smash the like button, share this video as well. Okay, guys, if you enjoy watching, share it please. Thank you. Let's get right into our shopping haul. Okay, my amazing, wonderful subscribers and supporters, this haul here, I'm just being a little dramatic. This is a combined haul from Tesco's, Aldi and Iceland. Okay, I have to just shop around a bit to save a little bit of money. Not much saving. You guys know things are skyrocketing these days. Okay, so this is a weekly grocery haul. Of course, you guys know that I'm not going to use the washing powder and the linen clothes softener finish within a week. I'm sure you guys already know. Neither am I going to use my cooking oil finish within a week. Okay, but because I do shopping every week and I love you guys so much for your support, your amazing constant support, that's why I continue bringing you guys my amazing shopping haul, because I feel you guys enjoy watching it. Okay, yeah. Okay, then without further ado, let's start from this right here. Okay, so we have some, before we go ahead, guys, before we go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, okay, and share it. Okay, and also everything here cost me £137. That is the nearest figure. Without the nearest figure, it's £136 63p. Everything here combined. Okay, guys, yes, so let's start from here. And over here we have some barbecue sauce. We got 3. Initially I bought 4, 1 broke, so I returned it back to them immediately and they refunded it. Okay, Aldi. Okay, this is barbecue sauce, very nice. Got 3. Over here we have some ketchup. We got 4 ketchup here. Okay, over here we have some cooking oil. This cooking oil is £1.20 something or £1.30 something. Guys, I really cannot tell you guys all the prices because I haven't checked the receipt and I cannot always remember everything offered. But I do remember this is 79p and this is also around 70 something p as well. So anyway, I remember the price, I'll tell you guys the price of it. Okay, okay, yeah. So the corned beef is here. We have 1 corned beef. The corned beef is £1.79 or £1.75, one of those. Okay, and then over here we have some evaporated milk. We have 5 actually. We got 5 evaporated milk. 1 is 55p for 1. Okay, and then over here we have some garlic. Over here we have 2. I forgot to check the price of the garlic, but I think it's around 60 something p for 1 or 70 something p for 1. Okay, and these are all from Aldi. Okay, these are all from Aldi. And then over here we have some smooth tomato pasta sauce. I bought only 1. Okay, it's about 70 something p. And then down here from Tesco, without even mentioning it, see the name already, we have some gala apple, which was £1 something. And then we have some bananas from Tesco as well. We got 2 bananas, which are also, they are 60 something p for 1. Okay, that's from Tesco's. Over here as well we have our peanut punch from Tesco, 75p for 1, so I got 2. And over here, see, that's 75p or 79p, this peanut punch. And then over here we have our frozen mixed vegetables from Aldi. There's 2 of them. Okay, I can't remember the exact price, but it's less than £1. And then down here we have some Mind cheddar cheese. Yeah, Mind cheddar sliced cheese. We got 3 of them. There's 3 of them. Okay, and over here on the corner we have some honey roast ham for sandwich. These are all for sandwich. We have 2. One of them is £1.55p for 1, so I got 2 of them. And then over here I got some plantain chips. You guys know my haul cannot be complete without the plantain chips. So I got the green one. They are doing a bit of offer for club card in Tesco for 75p for 1. So I got the green one and I got the sweet chili one as well. Okay, from Tesco. Over here I found this said loaded bites, sour cream and onions. Don't know what it is. It's like some kind of puff. It's very puffy inside, maybe corn something. In Aldi, you know, Aldi do some things in the middle of their eye every Thursday. They put new things. So I just saw this one for 99p. I said, okay, let me just try it. So I got one of them. And then we have our kitchen tissue paper here from Aldi as well. It's £1 something. Okay. I just put that there. And over here we have some cooking chocolate for my daughter that like baking cookies. So she said I should get some cooking chocolate. How much were these again? I've forgotten, guys. But anyway, I got one of each. That's the ones she wanted. And then we also have some cornflakes from Aldi. There's 2 cornflakes there. You guys can see already. And then down here we have the eggs from Aldi. There's 15 in the box. Got egg from Aldi. And then over here we got refill, fragrant refill. I don't know what you call it now. Refill anyway. This is from Iceland, £4.50. Guys, printing paper now is, I don't even understand. Printing paper, the price of printing paper has really gone up. This printing paper used to be £2.95 or 98. It's now £4. They are not reducing the price. It went back to £4. So I bought 2, so you guys can see I need it for my business to print orders, and the kids also use it to do drawings sometimes. So I got 2. One is £4. That is £8 for the 2 of them. That's from Tesco's. And over here we have our lino from Tesco as well. £4. It's £4 for this. And then in Iceland they were doing, in fact this is not from Iceland, this is from Tesco, this washing powder. Okay, I saw the same 130 in Iceland for £14.50. Before it used to be £10, then it went to £12. It stayed £12 for a while. All of a sudden now in Iceland this washing powder is £14.50. I didn't buy it in Iceland. I decided to go to Tesco's, and I saw it in Tesco for £13. At least I saved myself £1.50 difference. Okay, yeah, so that's that one. Let's go around the table, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, smash the like button, share it so that more people will get to see this amazing shopping haul that I'm always sharing with you guys. At least if you are living in the UK and you are planning of having a lot of children, so you have an idea, a rough idea of how much you will be spending. Or if you are planning of relocating to UK and you are coming with a lot of children, you have an idea of how much you will be spending every week. Okay, so share it. And then we have milk here. This milk is from Aldi. I got 2 of them. They are £1 something. I can't always remember the price. I can't lie. It's always difficult for me to remember the price of the fresh milk. These are fresh milk anyway. These are fresh milk. Okay, they are good for cereal, mainly cereal, tea as well. I used to drink tea, but me, I prefer the tin milk for tea. But the kids use this for cereal. You can also drink this as well if you are not lactose intolerant. Okay, you can drink that. So I got 2 of them. And then we also have some summer fruits drink here. That's from Aldi. And then here, Iceland have stopped doing the offer for the 3 for £6 for the yogurt. So it's now back to 2 for £4.50. So I got 2 from Iceland. And then I got some grease-proof paper from Aldi, 1. And then over here, this is from Aldi as well, from potato waffles. I got 3 of them. There's 3. They are 99p now. Before they were 85p, but it's now 99p. Okay, so Iceland is still doing offer on the Calipos ice lolly. These are ice lollies, very much ice with sweetener or sweetness, whatever you call it, flavor rather. That's the right word. You know, I like it, and my son Gabriel also like it. So I just like that it just ice with just flavor. It's not proper, it's not your proper ice cream. Okay, so it's Calipo. I like it quite a lot. They are doing 6 for £10. You can mix and mash. So I took one of these, their cocoa, whatever they call it. What do they call it now? Cola one, Calipo. So there's 6 here for £10. Okay, from Iceland. And then I got this, the normal chips I normally get, the French fries. I'm still pleased. This chips is still £2. Thank God they haven't increased the price. So the chips is still £2. And over here we have our chicken burger. It's normally 10 inside. Yeah, it's 10 for £2.50, so I bought 2. That's £5. And also from Iceland, also from Aldi, I got some. Let me bring it over here. From Aldi, I got some hash brown. Okay, can't remember the price, but I got 3 of them. Oh, 70 something p, I think, from Aldi. Okay, that's from Aldi. And then over here we have some bagels from Aldi. I got 3 bagels. There's 3 of them here. 3 bagels from Aldi. And then down here we have our sanitary pad from Tesco's, body foam, and Tesco's own. They are quite good. And then we have this is £1.50. This one is £1.50. This one is £1 with club card. If you don't have a club card, it's £1.75 or 79. So the bread is from Aldi. Okay, I bought 3 bread. I think they are 55p or 40 something p for one. There's 3 of them. 3 of them there. Okay, and then down here we're still going around. Of course, I bought some biscuits. I got 3 of these ginger nut biscuits. There's 3 of them there. Then I also got 3 of the digestive biscuits. Okay, and over here we have some sugar, 3 sugar. And then we have a brown sugar for my daughter that wants to bake cookies. Okay, she baked the cookies for the house, and also she take it to school to her friends. Okay, that's why she like baking it. And then we have some shortbread biscuits as well. We got 3 of them. And then we have some custard cream. Let me just show you guys. We got 3 custard cream as well. And then we have the British brown onions, which I call white onions sometimes. I got 2 of them there. Okay, so let's go around the table again. Okay, so over here we have some. Okay, so these are from Aldi. These are from Aldi. Okay, these are all from Aldi. So over here we have some bubble bath from Tesco's. These are from Tesco's bubble bath. So I got 2 types, this and this one. Okay, yeah. So over here we have some Harpic. Harpic is very good for your toilet. It's £1. Tesco. It's very, very good for your toilet. And then my cream. Okay, this my cream. They have different types. Sometimes if I don't find this one, I buy the other ones. £4.80. Okay. And then we have some. We have hair freshener. All these are from Tesco. £1. And then over here we have toothpaste. The toothpaste, I think they are 80 something p or 99p. This is for my daughter, body mist. She likes it. And then I got my body spray. Where deodorant? Sure, deodorant. £1 something. £1.75p. And then over here we have 1 roll-on, soft and gentle roll-on. And then we have our silly bag, which is very perfect for cleaning your bathroom, toilet. Oh my god, this thing is magic. Try it, you will love it. For your shower, ooh, remove all those water mark. Remove all those. Oh, just try it, guys. Try it. It's £2 for 1. Tesco. Very good, very good, very good. We have hand wash here. Got 1 from Tesco, and this other one as well, 1 from Tesco's. And then we have I just bought this to try, really. Chocolate chip brioche swirl. Is it swirls you call it? Just 1. Then I got the brioche rolls. I got 3 of them. There's 3 there. Okay, my husband likes this. I buy it mainly because of him. Okay, this is about to 4. Yeah, here you go. The table is too huge. I mean, the table is filled up because the shopping is a lot of shopping. Okay, guys, I think that is all apart from the one that has fallen down. Yeah, I don't know if I missed anything on this table. If I did, that will be on my next shopping haul. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe if you really enjoy watching shopping hauls. Consider subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. Appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If you guys want me to do any kind of form of video relating shopping haul, maybe you just want me to go to a different kind of shop, maybe let's say for example Sainsbury's. You guys know Sainsbury's, to film in there you have to gain permission. The last time I went there, there was a bit of a headache. The manager said I need to ask the security guy before I can film. Although I don't go there often because I can't afford their prices. It's a bit high. Okay, so if you guys want me to go to Lidl, do more of Tesco shopping, do more of Aldi, or do more of Lidl. I don't really do much of Lidl because Lidl and Aldi is almost the same thing. Okay, but I'm thinking of doing a video comparing the 2 of them prices. Let's see if the price are actually the same. So I'm thinking of that video. You guys might see it if I finally did it. Okay, guys, so just suggest a video Any kind of video, doesn't have to be shopping video, can be any kind form of video. All right, thanks so much guys for watching. Please share this video, smash the like button if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you all. Bye guys, God bless.